A wise man once said, all good things start with meat. Or was it big hands, big feet, big meat? Never mind. Today on Odos, I'm going to show you an easy way to make juicy, fall off the bone baby back ribs guaranteed perfect every time with today's recipe, easy tender ribs. But before we explore my meat and what to do with it, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this, and we will love you forever. We're going to start by placing our ribs meat side down on a foil-lined cookie sheet and bake them for 30 minutes at 450 degrees. Sometimes you need to take that moment to reflect, ponder the meaning of life. Why are we here? And then that delicious smell snaps me back to reality and I realize it's so that I can eat more meat. Moving on, it's time to season the ribs with a mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. As always, you can find a list of ingredients and the full recipe in the description. Now for the jokes. You may want to get the kids out of the room for this part. Let's start with the ladies, because you know how important it is to dress up your rack. You're going to want to show it off, let them admire it, and just before serving it up to that someone special, give them a wink and tell them your eyes are up here and stop staring at your rack. Now men, handle your meat with all the love and attention that only you can. Rub it until it's ready. And then, just before inserting it into that nice, warm oven, wrap it with protection, cover it in tinfoil. And then it goes inside for 60 minutes. If only we could all last that long.
Oh yeah.
Alright my dirty-minded friends, back to business. We have to stay focused here, because we're coming down the home stretch. At this point, we're ready to unwrap this bitch, and as you can imagine, it already smells amazing. Look at the tendrils of steam billowing like puffy little clouds of pork perfume. And we're letting it cool for just a few minutes before it's time to baste with the sauce of your choice. Today we're using this Hatch barbecue sauce from Melissa's Produce, sweet and spicy. We'd like to thank Melissa's for providing us with the most beautiful produce and organic snacks found anywhere in the world. Just go to melissas.com and check out their huge selection of products, guaranteed shipped fresh to your door. Melissa's, it's better than Christmas. Here on Shamrock Ranch, the days are long. Chores start at daybreak and end long after the sun sets. And nothing satisfies a mean appetite after a hard day's work like a slab of juicy, succulent ribs slathered in delicious barbecue sauce. So good, I'm betting that if Jeffrey Dahmer had tried this recipe, he never would have craved the other white meat. Lives may have been saved. Just imagine a world without hunger, or hate, or war. Only ribs and millions of smiling faces covered in sticky, sweet barbecue sauce. But it won't be easy. It's going to take a lot of work, lots of self-reflection, and of course, lots and lots of napkins. So what have we learned today? First, that it's possible to make a perfect batch of Babybacks every time in just 3 easy steps in under 2 hours. And second, that ribs could quite possibly be the answer to world peace. What about the vegans, you ask? Well, I'm not suggesting going door to door in all the known vegan neighborhoods like a bunch of rib-wielding Jehovah's Witnesses trying to convert them. But maybe, if enough people shared this video with their vegan friends, we might still have a chance. As always, stay gold, and thanks for watching.